Today I'm trying the New York Times Eric Kim's pasta alla vodka with some ricotta. I've been dying to try this recipe. I normally love all of his stuff. It's got over 3,000 reviews with 4 stars, so let's see if this lives up to the hype. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
Start by peeling 1 medium yellow onion.
There's gotta be a better way.
I'm also cutting up some thickly cut bacon.
All right, let's see. He says a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. Then add in our bacon on medium-high heat.
Fry the bacon on medium-high heat for 4 to 5 minutes or until the edges crisp up, and reserve 3 tablespoons of the oil.
All right, it says add 1.5 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, but that sounds like a lot. I don't have red pepper flakes, but if I did, I'd probably do like 1/2 teaspoon. I'm gonna do Calabrian chili because that's all I have. I'm gonna do about 1 teaspoon of this. All right, and it says 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Okay. This is 1/2 teaspoon, so I gotta do 2 of these. And to just saute it to let it bloom in the oil. It smells actually really good right now.
Turn the heat to medium and add in some lightly crushed garlic. We are just looking for it to release some nice garlic flavor in the sauce. I also slightly deviated from the recipe, and I'm adding in some concentrated tomato paste as well as some sun-dried tomato paste and cooking that down a bit.
So I just realized I totally missed a step. The onions. Okay, it's not a total fail. The tomato paste can like develop color on one side. I'm just gonna add the onions to the other side. You know, sometimes cooking be like this. Clearly I'm not good at following directions, but it's okay. We're gonna salvage this. Right, guys? Yeah, it's totally fine.
Let the onions soften for about 3 to 4 minutes while the tomato paste cooks down a bit, and combine once the onions are done.
All right, it says 1 cup of vodka, but that sounds like a little too much to me. And I read the comments and a lot of people said that was too boozy. So I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup. And they said make sure to turn the heat off so it doesn't catch fire. Although I'm not using flame, but just to be safe. I'm not trying to get tipsy off of a Wednesday night dinner, so I think this will do.
Once the sauce has reduced, add in the heavy cream. I'm also adding in some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper, and you're gonna simmer this sauce on medium-low for about 3 to 4 minutes. I've got one extremely picky eater in my house, so I'm gonna blend my sauce, but this is totally optional. If you're blending, return the sauce back to the pan.
We're gonna add the pasta in.
Add the fusilli back in and make sure it's fully covered in the sauce. And Eric Kim was so right, the fusilli works so well with this sauce. And I'm adding in some freshly grated parmesan and pecorino romano. Add in the 1 cup of the reserved pasta water, and you can always add in more later if you realize your sauce has dried up a bit.
All right, I'm gonna see if it's missing anything. Let's try this. Haven't tried it yet. It's pretty good, but for me, it's missing some more cheese. So I'm gonna add some more pecorino, but you guys can taste and adjust.
Add in some more pasta water if needed and top with fresh parsley and basil, and we are ready to plate. Start with a generous serving of the fusilli or whatever pasta you choose, and top with a ricotta, some more parsley, some more basil, and look at that. Let's taste this.
All right, moment of truth. We're gonna try this. I mean, it looks delicious so far. I'm gonna do some with no ricotta first. That is really good. Let's try it with the ricotta. See which one I prefer. Honestly, I like it with no ricotta. Maybe if I had blended the ricotta with like some parm. But I think it's perfect without. Things I would have done different. It needs a little kick, so definitely red pepper flakes, I think, over the Calabrian chili or more Calabrian chili. And when I pureed the sauce, I think I would have added the bacon just to give it some umami flavor. But other than that, it's a 10 out of 10. It is boozy enough, so I would keep it at that half a cup of Tito's or whatever vodka you want. But overall, it's delicious. I really recommend it. Let me know if you tried it in the comments.